Good day, you're welcome to YSN training program. My name is General Tuvilosa Yulua. So we'll be working on level 8, representative fraction and scale bar. So we'll be discussing about representative fraction, how to create a graphical scale, how to link scale bar to viewport scale. Then we'll discuss about the common scale representative rejection. So what is the representative fraction? Your representative fraction shows the relationship between drawing distance and ground distance. For example, scale 1 in 1,000, 100, 1,500. And understanding representative fraction. So 1 unit on paper is equals to 10 units on ground. So the same is applicable to 1 in 1,000 as well. So 1 unit on paper represents 1,000 units on ground. Yeah. So then the second section, creating a graphical scale bar. So how do we create a graphical scale bar? Firstly, for example, I have a survey plan we'll be using as example. This is graphical scale. Good. So how do I create this graphical scale to fit in? So I'll click on my polyline, click and on my auto. So using this style, we have 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, then 20 meters, 20 meters, 20 meters, 20 meters. So I have my line. Now we have sets. 1 meters up, second one 1 meters. Then I'll click on polyline again, pick from the edge, 2.5 meters. Or I can decide to use 3 meters so that we have more. Then after this, I'll use my copy selection. I'll copy and paste on the division line so as to subdivide my graphical scale. Then the next thing is for me to hash. I will hash. I'll use solid. Use solid and I will hash. Good. So it depends on the style. Good. So that's all. The next thing is for me to label it. Okay. .64. I will enter the text height. I'm excited to use 1.6. Now with this I can use copy selection, copy and copy, and arrange the text on all the arrows. Good. Then I will edit. 20, 40, 60, and the last one, 80. So from what I explained the other time, so on this using this graphical scale now, so let's confirm it first. So from 20 to 0 I have 20 meters. Good. Then from 0 to 80 I have 80 meters. That means this graphical scale is correct. So yeah, same as what I have on this slide. Yeah, so this is graphical scale. So this is how to create it step by step. Draw a line, offset at equal intervals, then add the vertical lines. Yes. So these are the steps as well. Use hash to fill alternate boxes. Use end text to label intervals. For example, 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Yeah. So then to model space versus and layout space. So actually the main space where we do all our drawings is on the models space. All our drawing, the plotting, everything is on the model space. So now for us to link it with the viewport, because mostly some people normally have their own pre-designed template. Yeah, so if you carry out if you have a drawing, you want to fit it in, the scaling is very important. Yes. So you're linking scale bar to viewport. So how are we going to do that? Then under here we have model, we have layout 1, we have layout 2. And I'll come to layout 1. So this is my layout view. Come to my layout, I'll delete this. Then I'll click on layout. I'll click on setup page. I'll click on modify. I have it here. Click on modify. And I'll select the paper size as legal. Yes, you want in 1000. 1000 portrait. Okay, looks good. So this is my viewport now. So I'll create a viewport now. Okay, so go back. Insert view. Good. Then I'll click on insert view on my snap, sorry. Then I'll cover my now click it there. So but what is needed, what we need to do now is for us to scale it to the frame, the space size that the drawing is printing. So because if you look, it's what we have now, the scale is not accurate, is not correct with the specified scale on the drawing, which is scale 1000. Yeah, so we have to unlock the viewport and select the appropriate scale, which is scale 1000. This. And as well drag the border to the extent of the drawing space. Good. Then I will click on the viewport, lock it. Okay. Unlock. Then I'll center my drawing. Okay, then I will centralize my drawing. Okay, so as we are zooming, because we didn't lock it, so the scale will not be accurate. So we have to select the appropriate scale. The scale 1000 now. So I have the appropriate scale now. So, but I still have to adjust and make sure the border is not left out. So I will lock to check. Good. I have it all inside now. Good. Both sides are inside the frame now. So I can as well drag it down a little. Make sure it's well centralized. Good. Oh, a better view now. Good. So now we have been able to successfully link the viewports, the model scale with the viewport scale successfully. So this can as well serve as, you can as well save this as a template separately in case of future purpose. Probably you want to do multiple drawings later. You can save this as templates. But note, you must lock before you start zooming. You have to lock your viewport. That's what we have here. Locking the viewport. That's to be locked. Then, yeah, we can, if probably want to save it, in case of, so that we can use the template later. So what we just doing is just to plot the perimeter and the detail. After joining them, you have your template already. So you can save, file, save as, then you save as templates. AutoCAD templates. Templates. Scale 1 in 1000. Good. So I have received now as template. Yeah. So in case of other time, if I want to scale, if I want to produce another plan, I can just go to my file. I can just go to the folder and click on open the template. Let me check it. Go on AutoCAD, new. Now we click on file, open. Then I will look for the file. Okay, this is because I have it on another page and open. Yeah, which with that I can see. So I can do, if probably I have another job, I can do the main drawing and still use the template as well. So I don't have to always do the whole frame all together, like start from the beginning. I don't have to do that anymore. So I can still use this frame and also have my drawing well positioned, and scaled. So, what are the common scale related rejection? What are the common scale issues? So, wrong reference scale, mutations, scale bar not matching viewports. For example, if I unlock now and I zoom a little, we have under scale entirely. So if peradventure I didn't take note of that and I proceed to probably plot my plan, I will have scale-related issues. Yeah. Then each other one, we have viewport not locked. Yeah. So if I then lock my viewport and I decided to zoom a little to affect the scale. So, or using fit to paper during plotting. During plotting, if I click on plot, then continue to plot, I select my drawing to PDF. Let me use a Microsoft PDF, media paper size, window, and I center the plot, and then set to fit to scale. This will automatically affect the scale of my drawing. So this fit to scale is very, very important. So I have to mark the appropriate scale. You scale 1 in 1000. Then OK. So let's test it. Sample. So this is what we have. So then so more common mistakes, yeah, missing graphical skill. So if we miss graphical skill on drawing, and drawing not done at appropriate skill, for example scale 1 in 1000, scale 1 in 500, then unreadable text and dimensions. So this also comes with it also affects as well when our text are not well legible. Yeah, the incorrect plotting settings. Now we have, I think this is major and first setting that we normally do when we want to do all our plotting. Making sure that our precision is well set, the angle, bearing distance, the precision, direction. These are major, very important key to the plot. So what are the best practices before plotting? Reference scale rating correctly, scale bar included, viewport locked, correct plot scale verified, and no fit to paper used. So conclusion: always draw at regulated scale. Scale that is a conventional scale. Scale 1 in 500, 1 in 1000, 1 in 2000, 1 in scale 2500, 1 in scale 5000, 1 in scale 10,000. Then control scale through viewports. The matching reference fraction to viewport scale and scale bar. So proper scaling prevents drawing rejection. Thank you. See you in our next series. Thank you.